was an insurance agent.
I was their financial advisor. I was the medical center manager.
The goal for Commerce Plaza was to have the children have a chance to see what it's like to work in a business environment, to learn about economics, to learn about things that they can use later in life.
I was an insurance agent, and I had to go around to every business to make sure that they had a certain amount of chairs and clocks and computers and that they could pay for it.
One of the best parts about it was that I would do a mini lesson, teach them a little bit about what their expectations were, and then I sort of said, okay, now you're in charge.
Before we went to Commerce Plaza, we had to learn about writing checks, and we had to make a business motto, and we also had to make our own budgets to see how hard it is to really live in life with that amount of money.
Throughout the day, different problems arose that they had to help solve.
At one point, it was really overwhelming because a lot of people, they were lining up for checkups, and there was only one of me. So it was like 5 people in line, and I could only do them one at a time.
So they really had to use what they learned here and apply it throughout the day.
It's like you have to go around to other businesses and support them, because if you don't support their business, you won't support your business, and then you won't be able to be in business.
So they needed to learn to work together, listen to their partners. They needed to be able to be flexible. They had to fill out job applications and realize that they might not get the job that they actually wanted. And they had to learn to go with the flow a little bit for that.
What I like the best is like how nice everyone is doing and how positive people are.
The children had some real, true, authentic learning going on. They felt like they were really making a difference, and they got all of this through not just the one day, but through the entire unit. And they're still talking about this as one of their favorite things that we have done all year.